What's up, MFers? Welcome to Bell's Rides. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me today. Okay, guys, guess what day it is? It's Snail Mail Day. I got some really cool packages over the last couple weeks, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'm super excited about all of these. They're very cool. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so on my couple weeks ago, I got this package from BDRIDER, and I shared it with you guys a little bit already because it just blew me away. It was so sweet and thoughtful. It made me cry, and you know, happy tears. It was really sweet. So I just wanted to share with you in detail what exactly I got. It's pretty cool. First, I need my glasses here. I got a little note in it. It said, "Thanks for swapping stickers with me. I've been really enjoying your vlogs. You guys have some amazing areas to ride. Looking forward to seeing you more. Here is a chip from Three Rivers Harley and one of my challenge points from my canine unit. I know you are a law enforcement family, so I wanted to give you one of these. So thanks again, BDRIDER." So super cool. So anybody who is affiliated with law enforcement knows they don't hand these out to just anybody. So it made me feel really, really special. And here it is. This is pretty cool. Beautiful. Its quality is amazing. On the back is a narc dog on it. It's very cool. So a little bit back history that kind of pulled at my heartstrings a little bit. My husband had a narc dog. His name was Deputy Stanley. He's now out in the pasture with Rookie Rouge. They're all together. And he was a great dog. He was an amazing narc dog. Had so much energy and just loved he just had that drive. You know, narc dogs just have to have a certain drive for locating dope and all that stuff. So he had it. He was such an amazing, awesome dog, Springer Spaniel. And luckily for us, after he retired, we got to keep him as our pet, and he became part of our family instantly when he was brought home for a narc dog. He was pretty cool. So this was awesome. Thank you so much, BDRIDER. Also in that package, I got another chip. The Three Rivers chip. This is awesome. Isn't that cool? And here is his stickers. Got a couple of those. Pretty awesome. Thank you, BDRIDER. It's just amazing to me. Thank you so much. And then the next one here is from, my glasses again, Ron over at, I hope I do this right, the CHESTNUTMTTENMAN, Mountain Tin Man, and this is his stickers, very cool, and his spam cards with the blue knights. Isn't that cool? Thank you so much, Ron. I got a cool little note from him. I'm looking forward to following your channel. I've included some of my stickers and spam cards, actually my blue knight cards, for swapping. I am hoping that you will support my channel also. Of course I will, Ron. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. And ride safe as well. And then the next one from my girl. Look at this. I got it from Motorcycle Mama. So a couple weeks ago, I don't know if any of you guys noticed, but I did a hashtag including Motorcycle Mama. It was hashtag BAMM, and it's a little inside joke that I call her Badass Motorcycle Mama. So I turned it into an acronym of BAMM, and it kind of stuck. So now her nickname from me to her is BAMM. So that is Badass Motorcycle Mama. And look, I'm on the back. I got another chip. That's awesome, and a cool little note. Belle, hope you're doing well. Thank you for taking time to speak with Mary. Okay, so if you haven't done so yet, please go over to the MOMMA MAFIA channel and check out that video. It was an interview that I did with Mary. They were so nice and gracious to invite me on and interview me, and it was a lot of fun. So check that video out. They're an amazing group of women. I just love them. And let's see, we are glad to have you in our community of lady riders. Stay safe, and as all, and I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time reading. And I look forward to knowing you better, Motorcycle Mama and Mr. Awesome, thank you, BAMM. Okay, last one. Okay, dude, I owe you an apology. I meant to send you stickers like 2 weeks ago, and I'm so sorry I haven't done so yet. But I promise I'll do it on my way into work this morning. I promise. And this is from, his name is Stevie, and I got a cool little letter from him, and his stickers. It's awesome. So, SCOUSE Adventures, they're up out of Red Cliff, Alberta, which I go through there on my way to Medicine Hat when I have a delivery over there. It's on the east side of Alberta and Providence. And a cool little note, it says, and it's printed, look at that, he took some effort, put some effort into that. And I'm sorry, I haven't got my stickers to you, I'm so sorry. Anyway, BellsRides, I hope this letter finds you well. As promised, please find enclosed some of my stickers. Great job on your Instagram and YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing more of your videos. I hope you sub my channel too. Ride safe, and remember, you'll never walk alone. Kind regards, Stevie. Okay, so on the back of the letter, see a little, it's YNWA. And I asked my husband when I got it, I'm like, what does that stand for? He goes, no clue, sorry. Now we know, you'll never walk alone. I love that. What a nice saying. All right, so I'm gonna put some stuff up on the wall art, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so the wall art is really taking shape. Check this out. So my new ones here, SCOUSE Adventure, the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man, my boy BDRIDER up here, and Motorcycle Mama. Check that out. Oh, look at that. Right here in this area, we have 3 of the founding members of MOMMA MAFIA. I wonder who's missing. I don't know. What's her name? All right, Bombshell, I don't have your sticker. Come on, girl. My address is in the description down below if you want to join in on the fun of the sticker wall art. All right, guys, take it easy, and as always, enjoy the ride.